Anger. Whenever we think about the most disappointing incident of our lives, then amongst them there is always one incident in which we lost something or someone due to uncontrolled anger. We completely felt paralyzed at that moment and couldn't do anything to control that anger, and sometimes the result of that anger is long lasting, because of which we still suffer. There is a story which relates to the same problem. So, once upon a time, there was a boy who was from a quite decent family, but he was suffering from the problem of very bad temper. Being unable to control his anger, he used to misbehave with his friends, classmates, teachers, and even with unknown people. One day, one of his friends told his father about this problem. After listening to this, his father also got very angry, but he didn't get mad at his son. In fact, he called his son and told him that, "Son, you are dealing with a very serious problem, and I have a solution for that." He told his son that from the next time, whenever he loses his temper, he has to hammer a nail into a wall. On the first day, the boy hammered around 40 nails in the wall, but over a period of some days, the number of nails that he hammered in the wall gradually kept on decreasing. Finally, a day came when the boy didn't hammer a single nail in the wall. He discovered that it was much easier to control his temper than to hammer the nails in the wall. With so much of excitement, he went back to his father and told him that finally he had learned to control his temper. His father took him to that wall where he used to hammer the nails. After that, his father told him to take out all the nails one by one from that wall. The boy started doing what his father suggested, and when finally all the nails were removed, his father said that, "Son, can you see these holes in the wall because of the nails that you hammered? This wall will never be the same again." This can be perfectly related to the problem of anger. When you say something or misbehave with someone when you are angry, that leaves a scar inside them, just like these holes in the wall, and sometimes it becomes very difficult to heal those scars. We can forget the things that we say when we are angry, but its effect can sometimes be long lasting. So, whenever you feel angry at someone and feel the need to say something bad to them, just delay that process a little bit. Just tell yourself that I will say all the bad stuff, but not now. I'll say it tomorrow or day after tomorrow or the next week. Just delay that stuff. Surprisingly, on the next day or any time after that, you will not feel the need to say anything or misbehave with anyone. So, this implies that delay is the best remedy for anger. So, just give it a try.